Welcome back to course 3 of our Python 0 to Hero. Today we'll be writing our first real lines of Python. So if you remember, last time we were looking at VS Code and we left it here. So let's just delete all this junk that we created last day. So you can just click on it and click delete. That will delete this. And let's start our first Python project, right? So we have to create a new file. We can do that using this new file button and just give it some name. So I'll just write first.py. so every Python file must end with the .py extension. If you click enter, the file is created and we can write our first program here. So what should we write? So let's get the program to print something for us. So let us try print, which is a command, followed by brackets. You can see once you open a bracket, VS Code already closes it for you, and you have to put in some value here. So we can put in any number we want, say 18, and we have to save it with Ctrl S, and we can run it using this button. If we run it, we can see the output is 18. So whatever we put in, we got back as our output, right? So that is what the print function does. It takes in an argument and returns that argument back. So we can try other values. For example, let's do 7.36. Let's try that. Okay, so here we have 7.36. that works. Now let's try a word. Let's try hello, right? And if we save it and run it, and you can see we have gotten our first Python error. Now why does this happen?